subscriber, ay meron akong parapol sa inyo. Para sa inyo lang to ha. At ang parapol ko nga ay Roblox. Ano pa ba? Siyempre nagro-Roblox tayo, di ba? Mamimigay ako ng 6 na Roblox gift card at 6 na tigpa 500 Robux. So ano nga lang ba yung kailangan nyo gawin? Kailangan nyo lang mag-comment palagi. I-comment nyo din yung username nyo. Tapos, mag-subscribe kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe. Ayan, napakasimple, di ba? So bale, announce ko ang mga mananalo kapag na-reach na natin yung goal natin. Ila-live ko pa to. Promise ko sa inyo. So yun na nga guys. Good luck sa inyo and enjoy the video. Ayan, what's up guys? Welcome back ulit dito sa Legendary City. And for today ay kasama natin ang nag-iisang iShowSpeed.
Hey.
Bro, welcome here in our city, Legendary.
Yo, what's up, Philippines? Huh? Huh? Huh?
Yeah. Kita naman, hype na si iShowSpeed, guys. Wait. Can I interview you for a second?
Yeah, sure.
Where do you want to go first?
I want to go to Tondo.
Oh, Tondo, okay.
Yeah.
So we're going to Tondo and we're gonna eat. Did you eat already, Speed?
No, not yet. I want to taste every food of Filipino.
Yun. Bali hindi pa siya kumakain, guys. So for today, ako lang yung bodyguard niya. Where's your other bodyguards, ha?
I don't know. She's gone.
Naku, she's gone. Hindi ba kanta yun? She's gone.
No.
Okay, let's go. Ito na nga guys, pinagkantahan na natin siya ng limousine. Sana makikooperate yung mga tao dito at hindi siya ganong tumugin. Hey bro, our first stop is in Tondo, okay? We're gonna eat something.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Ito na guys, pupunta na tayo dun sa first destination natin. Ito na nga, malapit na tayo. Nandito na tayo sa mismong Tondo Capital. Dito tayo. Dili. Boss, may kasama ko ngayon. Si iShowSpeed, bale sikat siya. Gusto niyang itry yung pares dito sa Tondo.
What is this?
Yo, welcome to the Philippines. Here, try some pares.
It's a beef. You know beef? Do you eat beef? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, try it, bro. Try it. Ito na,
Okay,
guys.
sure.
Kakain na to si Speed. Nako, mukhang may nakakilala na sa kanya.
Speed!
Hey, what's up?
Speed, bro! I'm a big fan, bro!
Bro,
Can I get some photos?
Chill, bro. Chill.
Sure!
That's meow.
Meow. What is meow?
no. That's a beef. That's a beef.
Oh, beef.
Call that beef
I thought it
pares.
is a cat.
First bite. Take the first bite, bro.
Yummy.
Yun, okay na. Boss, salamat, boss. Speed, you need to pay him, bro.
That's my money in
Okay.
my bag.
Nasa akin pala yung pera mo. Nakalimutan ko.
Give him 5,000.
You
It's
serious?
so delicious.
Uy, boss, eto, 5K. Para sa'yo.
Hey, thank you.
Tara na.
Take a bro.
Tara. Eto na, pinagkakaguluhan na siya. Medyo onti pa lang. Ayan na. Okay, sir, we're going in our next destination.
Where?
Somewhere here. This is our next destination. We don't have Kalesa right now, but we can ride a horse. Do you know how
Is that
to
a
ride a
horse?
horse, bro?
Oh, I like it.
Okay, ride a horse. That's your horse.
Let's ride on the horse.
Yun! How do you feel?
I'm so happy. Let's go, little horsey. Come on, speed.
Hey, Speed, that's your Speed.
Hey, what's up?
Let's go, bro! Let's go!
Yo,
Come on, bro.
Yo, Speed.
Grabe!
Speed!
Kahit saan siya pumunta, ang dami. You have so many
Hit the
followers, huh?
button.
Let's go.
Hit 100k likes.
Yes.
Come on, horsey. Go faster.
Ayun. Grabe, ang biblis tumakbo. Also, your fans is running. Look, grabe.
Let's go.
Let's go, bro. How long do you plan to stay here in the Philippines? How many days?
3 days, huh?
Oh, 3 days. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
It's good, bro. Grabe, mahabol pa rin sila.
Come on, horse.
This is our next destination, Speed. We're in the Jollibee.
Jollibee?
Yes, the famous restaurant here in fast food chain in the Philippines, bro.
Can I get one fried chicken?
Sure.
Ayun. Ate, bigay mo dito yung yung bagong luto. Bro, look at that, bro.
Here you go.
Speed.
Okay, taste it first. Taste the chicken.
Chat, this is Jollibee.
Yan na.
Whoa, what the? Who made this?
It's Juicylicious chicken from our cook.
Where's your cook? Who made this? Why it's so well seasoned?
I think she's the only one here. I think she cooked that.
That's
Yes,
so
yes.
delicious. It's better than KGC.
Oh, KGC. Yes. Better
Yeah.
than KGC, bro. Bro, look at that.
So,
Someone is
Bro.
outside.
there's a YouTuber outside.
Yes.
Come here, come here.
Hey. Boss, pasok ka na, boss.
Can I get your autograph in this play button?
What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Artukul. Artukul.
Artukol.
Artukul.
Yes.
Artukul.
Chat, there's a YouTuber in here in Jabili.
Hello.
Teka, parang kilala ko to ah. Ito ba yung ano? Ito ba yung scam? Boss!
Boss!
What is scammer?
Boss, parang
No.
ikaw ba
No,
yung
no.
ano? Parang malupit on the second? Ikaw yata yung boss.
Boss. Oh, boss. Ako yung boss. Boss.
Ah, sige. No. I didn't mean that he's coming. His content is comedy.
Oh, content creator. What's your content?
Comedy.
Comedy.
And I'm streaming too in Facebook page. Blue app.
How many followers?
I get total 8 million.
Uy,
Wow.
8 million.
Chat, W, chat.
Can I get a autograph?
Oh, sure.
Play button? Okay. Here.
Ayun na guys, sana all ha. Sana all may gold play button. Kaya kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, mag-subscribe ka na. Road to 1M na din tayo. Wow.
Yeah, hit the like subs button.
Can I get a picture?
Sure.
Okay. Ito, boss. Picture mo ako, boss.
Sige. Walang problema. Ayan. Sama ako. 0.5. Ayan, picturean ko kayo.
Diba, boss?
Ayan.
Thank you, boss.
Okay na.
Ay,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, bro. I'm
See you soon,
your
see you soon.
only fan.
See you soon, YouTuber.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hey,
Grabe oh, pati Jabili Crew nagpapapicture kay Speed. Solid talaga.
Thank you.
Thank you so much,
I
too.
posted on Facebook.
Ayun. Speed, we should go now. It's night.
Okay.
Let's go.
Speed. Speed. Let's go, chat.
Speed.
So many people here.
Meow.
Oh my God, Philippines. That's so crazy.
Do you like to come back here? Oh, they're still coming. Oh no,
Oh my God,
still
they're
going.
tripping.
Let's go home, Speed. Let's go. Finally, we're home. You can now rest, Speed. Let's go.
Yeah,
What a crazy day, right?
crazy. They tripping.
Grabe,
Filipino are
guys.
crazy.
Sobrang dami, yes. And do you know that most of your fans is in the Philippines, bro?
Yeah, I hear 200 or 150K
Yes.
subs.
You hit 200K
Yeah.
I think, in one stream. Wow.
Yeah,
Congrats,
in
bro.
3 hours.
I hope you enjoyed your stay here and get some rest, bro.
Speed.
Big fan.
Filipino are crazy.
Let's go
Okay,
there,
I'm
Speed.
going to
Let's
sleep
go
now.
there.
They are
Grabe,
crazy.
pati dito nasundan.
I'm going to sleep now, bro.
Okay, bro. Good night and I need to go now also. I need to
Good
have
night
some
too.
sleep.
I love you, man.
Love you too, bro. Let's go. Grabe. Crazy day dito. Dito lang sa Legendary City. Ayan. At kung di ka pa na-subscribe, yun na nga. 1M na tayo, guys. Peace out. Subscribe.
Legendary RP. Samahang masaya, kaya dito'y masarap sumali.